I feel like this release, sort of went to according to plan, but then on the flip side, people are wondering like, where did all the pairs go? It was only about 20 something thousand pairs on the Nike sneakers app. Where is the rest of the stock for the brick by brick Air Jordan 4s? We gotta talk about in today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy Da Vinci. And I got this shirt on purpose, bro. I am not an influencer, bro. I literally come up here and express my love with sneakers with you guys. I ain't trying to influence y'all to buy nothing or not, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna give you guys my personal vibes. I'm gonna wear this shirt. I need to get this shirt in every color, like black and then a white one with the, with the black lettering. I might be on to something, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please, man, run them likes up. Everybody watching takes 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Hit that like button. And again, man, comment down below before we get any further and let me know if you got a huge W on a raffle, on the sneakers app, in the skate shop. Let me know how your release day went, man. All right, guys. So, man, we got the release for the Brick by Bricks, the Nigels. Probably gonna be a contender for sneaker of the year in terms of storytelling, the whole promotion behind the sneaker. Like, this has been like a 2-month promotion from Nigel and Jordan about these Brick by Bricks that got stolen off trains. There's a whole bunch of storylines to the sneaker, so it could potentially go down as sneaker of the year in so many aspects, if you want to put it like that. You know what I'm saying? Of course, there's other crazy dope candidates, SBs. We even have the undefeated fours. I literally forgot about the undefeated fours, but the way we have seen sneakers getting pulled out of the vault, i.e., the Wu-Tang dunks, or even the Galaxy foam posits, like, people ain't really show them or give them that much credit. Like, you know what? They cool. We really didn't want them. And I feel like the same type of thing is going to happen with the undefeated fours. As soon as they see the resale go down, or not too many people was talking about them like they used to back in the day, then they're going to say, oh, we don't want them, they bricks, and the brick by bricks still going to be Jordan sneaker of the year. So it all depends on, I guess you could say, the hype around the sneaker, about sneaker of the year. So whichever one had the most hype, that's what people are going to choose pretty much generally. But personal sakes, I know everybody probably has a different personal sneaker of the year. So for these brick by bricks, man, I have the full breakdown of the stock list, the numbers, the stock in these sneakers. Shouts out to my homie Tops. I've seen it floating around Instagram and stuff like that. But I've seen a couple different, numbers getting pushed out. Before, the official numbers that was pushed out in the Discord was 29,744 pairs. And for my size 9, bro, my size 9, there were only 2,600 pairs, and for a size 9.5 was 2,500. So you guys know it's kind of weird, right? Because if you look on StockX, you look on GOAT, those are the sneakers that are not going for as much as like a size 12 or 13, due to the fact that it's around that same number in terms of stock. So size 11, 3,100, size 11.5, 1,800, size 12, 2,700, and it's right around that same size 9. I don't know what you throw it up to be. Maybe more people are size 11. Not too sure, but it's a huge difference in the resale in certain size, which is kind of crazy, man. But they all dropped around the same amount of pairs per size, if that makes sense, man. So I know you guys probably wondering, bro, should you pay resale now? Should you wait? Me personally, I don't have a pair. I took an L on almost every single raffle that I entered on. I'll let you guys know about that raffle last week. I think that was earlier this week. I took an L on it, you know what I'm saying? I got the email today, took an L, not too pressed. I'm not too pressed. I already had to back my mind that I'm gonna have to pay resale for these. And the resale did hike up just a little bit, but you guys know that's how it happens when a sneaker first releases. They try to get those first people that want to take first dibs at cracking that resale, you know what I mean? But definitely wait till the sneakers that pairs get pushed out, along with all of the draw pairs. So this is what my video was purposely about. You guys know it's only 27, about 20-some thousand pairs of shoes on the sneakers app. The rest of the entire stock, where might they have been? Of course, we got the 1,000 stolen off the train, and I think the majority of their stock were at these mom and pop shops, these brick and mortar spots, and on the raffles. So I do think when pairs start getting distributed out to the customer, and they did use EQL, so I think it's going to be some real folks. Hopefully, bots can break a EQL system. So hopefully when those pairs get pushed out to people, we start seeing that resale drop steadily and steadily. I feel like I keep referring to the Galaxy foam posits. They're right here, man. That's my sneaker of the year. But when those dropped, they went all the way down to like low 400s, high 3s. and then about the day of the drop, it went up to like 460, 470, and now they have dropped all the way back down to that $300 price range in some sizes. I got to put that out there, in some sizes. But the same thing happens for pretty much every single size. It's just like, you know, the hype of the day. Of course, people are willing to pay high price because of FOMO. But if you don't have FOMO, you can wait a little bit like I'm going to do. You will be good to go in terms of copping a pair for the lowest of the price. But I do think later down the line, like, I'm going to actually make a video. When I get my pair and unbox them, I do feel like I'm going to pull the trigger around the right time. Then I'm going to get my pair for in the 300 range. I don't mind paying that. But when I make my video saying buy them now, I'm going to talk about the projected resale later down the line, around that spring, summer. We're already in springtime, so around that summertime, back to school year time, and then definitely by the end of the year, I'm telling you, bro, things gonna take off because we're not gonna see these again, bro. We're not gonna see them again, and I don't see them tanking it too crazy. But do not pay for the high right now. You're literally paying for the hype if you pay for them now. Just give it a couple days, give it about a week or so, and then you're gonna start seeing those prices drop. Because think about it, we really dictate the market. If we're not willing to pay for it, then that seller, that reseller is going to want to drop that price down. So it's all on how you perceive it. But again, I'm telling you, man, wait a little bit longer. Do not pay resale yet. Just give it a little time. It's not going to shoot up nothing crazy. There's not a crazy limited sneaker like the Bread High 85s. It's nothing like that. It is a limited sneaker. Don't take that, you know, too far. It's still a limited sneaker. Of course, it wasn't everywhere. It wasn't released on FLX or anything like that. So it's a limited shoe, which makes it a little bit harder to get. But again, man, I'm telling you, bro, just wait a little bit, man. Hold your ducats. And I even said this in the last two videos that I did make. And I was looking, I said, man, I've been talking about these brick by bricks all week. But sometimes you have to do that for your supporters. And I wanted to, you know, reach that, you know, put that information out there for y'all. I don't have them. I took an L. And even if I didn't take a L, I got a W. I still help you guys out in terms of when to gauge and like when do you know the best time to pull the trigger. And it's honestly just based off of past releases, similar hype releases that kind of dictate how the resale should be within, you know, a couple weeks of the drop and a couple months later. But again, brick by bricks, super cold. If you did hit them, man, congratulations to you, man. I'm super happy for you. I'm not salty about this one at all because kind of figured it's gonna happen like this. I'll put in a raffle, a couple raffles. Got an L on all of them. But it's all good. I ain't really tripping that much. I do want this pair in the collection. This is a shoe that you probably won't even wear a lot. It's all red. It's kind of super vibrant. And depending on how you dress, you probably that won't even be a first or third option. Probably be like one of the last options you want to pop out somewhere crazy like a sneaker con or something. But then again, you go to a sneaker con or a sneaker event, everybody's gonna be wearing that exact same shoe. So I always wear some stuff like that years down the line, pulling things out like, yes, we got them things on feet. And that was probably a bad idea. I'm always an advocate of wearing your sneakers, but you know, sometimes, you know, situational dependent, bro. You can't just be popping out with heat just to the grocery store, if that makes sense. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in, man. Wait off, hold your ducats. But again, if you did hit today, congratulations. And let everybody know watching today's video what size you hit on and where you hit at. Was it sneakers? You hit on a raffle? Did you hit up a brick and mortar spot, mom and pop shop? What happened? How'd you get your dub? I'm super interested in knowing myself. I know everybody watching is interested as well, man. But again, sub up, hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And with all this being said, man, hopefully tomorrow you guys see a vlog or something because I'm trying to pick up some phone posits. And I think the nines come out tomorrow. So if you're gonna be snagging the nines, please let me know. So it's gonna probably be like a little vlog recap of the cool gray nines, because if you didn't know, bro, it's only about 20,000 pairs of these on the Nike sneakers app, which is less than the brick by brick. So most of the pairs are like at Foot Locker and stuff. And yeah, hey, don't sleep on the cool gray guys. Had to have them, and I might just get a crispy pair, put on nice. Nah, I'm joking. I ain't doing that double up stuff no more unless it's need be, you feel me? But again, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much. With all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.